All right, so the time has come to reserve your pre-order. What's going on, everyone? Josh Quinones here. So, as many of you may know by now, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 are, literally right around the corner, ready to be announced at the end of the month, this month of July. And the Unpacked event is actually gonna be held in Korea, not in the States this time around. But right now, today, starting today, you can now reserve your pre-order, and using my special link down in the description below or in the pinned comment, you can get yourself an extra $50 off of your pre-order. Now, this is a no commitment offer. You don't have to commit to this. You don't have to pay anything right now. You're simply just giving your name and your email. And then when the time does come to pre-order either one of these devices, then you will be able to redeem that $50 off. So it's only if you're going to actually pre-order when the time comes. But this is a good thing to do, to reserve your pre-order. That way, when that time does come to pre-order, you're gonna get that special email and you're gonna ensure that you get your device earlier than others that don't reserve the pre-order. And plus you're getting this, extra $50 off of your pre-order as well. Plus whatever trade-in deals that Samsung is offering at that time as well. But you definitely want to make sure you reserve your pre-order. Like I said, I have a special link down in the description below and in a pinned comment as well. Now, there's also a rumor that we might even get a new tablet, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Now, if it's anything like the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, then it's gonna be a great tablet. Obviously, it's going to be improved. I really loved the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, so I'm sure the S9 Ultra is going to be even better. But of course, we're gonna have to wait and see when it's actually announced. But yes, we are in the month of July, the month that these devices are going to be announced and finally unveiled to us. With the, based on the leaks and, rumors that we've heard about these devices, it looks like with the Galaxy Z Fold 5, it's not going to be a huge upgrade when you compare it to the Z Fold 4. Obviously, it's still going to be the better device, but just not anything, huge, no major upgrades. But when it does come to that Galaxy Z Flip 5, it looks like we're finally going to be getting a bigger outer display, something that's actually usable, something that you will be able to use without actually having to flip open your device if you don't feel like doing that at the time. So that's going to be a nice feature, having that bigger outside display. And then of course, if you want to flip open the phone and use it that way, you can do that as well. Now, me, either way, I'm excited for all of these devices, honestly, because, I love when new tech comes out, whether it's a huge upgrade from, the prior device or a small upgrade from the prior device, because, I'm always curious to see what new things they're going to put in these new devices. And if it's actually going to be something boring that people are not going to want to buy, or if it turns out to be a great device, something fun that people are going to want to buy. Like I said, I just love checking out new tech, period. So for me, I'm excited for the Z Fold 5, the Z Flip 5, and even that new tablet if they do end up announcing it. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comments section below. I simply just wanted to give you all a heads up that reservations are now open to reserve that pre-order. So again, if you are looking to pre-order, use my special link down in the description below and also in that pinned comment, wherever you want to go and look for that link. But thank you all so very much for watching. Like I said, leave your thoughts down in the comment sections below. If you have any questions that I can possibly answer, let me know and I will do my best to answer those questions. Thanks so much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you're not missing out on any other future content the day of announcement for the new Galaxy Z Fold 5 or the Z Flip 5, or I should say, and the Z Flip 5. I am going to do my best to be at the Samsung store once again, just like I did with the S23 Ultra, and try to live stream there so I can answer any questions, getting hands-on with those devices and be able to show you guys whatever it is you want to see when it comes to the Z Fold 5 and the Z Flip 5. That way, you don't have to wait throughout that whole Samsung live stream and, watch stuff you don't really want to watch. We can get straight to it on my live stream. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that. But thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.